So hello everybody, welcome back to another review, and today we're doing Monday.com. So Monday.com is one of the most popular work management tools out there, whether you're managing a team, tracking a project, or organizing your own workflow. Monday.com promises to make things smoother and more visual, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now, so what is Monday.com? Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system designed to help teams manage projects, tasks, and workflows in a visual, customizable way. Think of it as a highly flexible project management tool where you can track everything from, marketing campaigns to product development all in one place. Now let's move on to the interface and experience. So right off the bat, Monday.com feels clean with its clean and intuitive UI here. You'll see colorful boards that are easy to read and fun to use. So each board represents a project. You can view your data as a table, timeline, Kanban board, Gantt chart, calendar, and more. Compared to tools like Asana or Trello, Monday stands out for its visual clarity and sheer number of layout options. So if you like drag and drop and modular customization, you feel right at home here. Now let's move on to the key features. So key features of Monday.com here is fully customizable project boards with templates for every industry. So you can just pick any template that you like here, and you can just drag it drop here. So there's like IT service, social media planner, design weekly tasks, multi-project. So you just pick any template you want and you can just drag it here. And you know as you see here, real-time collaboration tools includes updates mentioned in file sharing, robust dashboard for high-level views and across projects, 70 plus integration including Slack, Google Drives, Zoom, and Outlook, and also time tracking, workload view, and dependency for complex projects. Let's move on to the pricing. So the pricing, Monday.com's offers the basic one, or you have the free one. The free one's up to 2 user with basic features and limited boards. And you have basic, so basic is $9 a month. Great for individual or small teams. You have standard for $12 a month. It adds timelines, calendar integration. The pro one costs $19, but includes time tracking, automation, and dashboards. Now, enterprise is custom pricing for large team needing advanced security and control. The feature is nice for testing, but serious project tracking starts at the standard plan, which is $9 a month. Now, who is it for? So Monday.com is ideal for project managers who need cross-functional visibility, marketing teams juggling campaigns, content, and deadlines, product teams tracking dev sprints and feature rollouts, agencies and freelancers who want client transparency and better task tracking. Even students and solo entrepreneurs can use it for organizing workflows. Now, let's look for other options. Here are a few strong competitors. So we have Asana right here. It's known for for task dependencies and structured planning. So you have Asana here. I kind of use Asana. It's pretty good. And we also have ClickUp. Let's go with ClickUp right here. So you have ClickUp right here, and you also have Notion. Notion is very, very popular. So Notion is a more flexible doc first approach with database and wikis. So I see here I have Notion here, and you also have Trello. So Trello is very popular right now. Great for beginners and small teams using Kanban board. There's also a mobile app which is really good, and you also have Rike. Rike is tailored for enterprise users needing detailed reporting. So yeah, so Rike is pretty good also. Now let's go back to Monday.com. So, Monday.com delivers a powerful combo of customization, visual clarity, and also collaboration. It's especially helpful if your team likes working in timelines, Kanban views, or Gantt charts, and wants everything in one centralized platform. Is this review help you out? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you use Monday.com or plan to try it. Catch you in the next one, and I'll see you guys doing AI stuff or something. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.